Guys, we're doing the low control arm of this Pontiac G6. So I'm gonna show you how you do this one, guys. First, you jack the car up in the front, and then this is like if you change the mount replacement, and then you put to get out this mount, you put the stand under the engine pan. We put something soft, guys. Don't put nothing too hard, and then you go down with the jack, and this will come up, and your mount will be coming out, guys. And that's how you get your arm bolt from through this side through the mount. So you have to move the mount both sides, guys. And you take out the two 18 back up, and 15 and 16 back up by the knuckle, guys, right here. So, and guys, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing, and I'll catch you on the next one. Pontiac G6 engine mount replacement and low control arm. This is how you take out the bolt, because you have to get out the mount. You put something on the engine, put the jack down, and this come up and your mount come out. Very simple and easy, guys. Alright, catch you on the next one. And don't forget, For Life Auto, please consider subscribing, like, share. I'm out.